Alabama, home of mountains in the north and the Gulf of Mexico in the south, has some of the most beautiful waterways in the nation. It is full of wildlife and people who value these precious natural resources. Monroeville, a city in south central Alabama, is the county seat of Monroe County. Home to about 6,500 people, it has the conveniences and amenities of an urban lifestyle and the charm of a small town. While most famous for producing author Harper Lee, To Kill a Mockingbird, and Go Set a Watchman, the city of Monroeville features an abundant, clean, and safe water supply from the Nantafilia Aquifer. Ensuring clean water from this source requires hard work and constant vigilance by Monroeville Waterworks, whose distribution system includes 6 deep well pumps and 4 elevated storage facilities with a combined capacity of 3 million gallons. They also supply drinking water to customers in the Peterman area and supplies wholesale water to the Mexi community. Recently, I had a chance to sit down with William Snyder, who's the general manager of Monroeville Waterworks, and he also sits on the board of the Alabama Rural Water Association. Mr. Snyder, can you describe for me the Monroeville water distribution system and what makes it unique?
Sure. Monroeville Waterworks was built in the 1930s as we know it. Over the years, it expanded to meet a growing residential and business customer base, but also an expanding industrial market. Vanity Fair came to Monroeville in the 1930s, and you could really say Monroeville Waterworks grew with it. At the peak of their usage, they used about 3 million gallons per day. So when the Vanity Fair dye house closed in 2010, Monroeville was left with a huge surplus of water and water infrastructure.
So what are the biggest challenges that water utilities face today relating to sourcing flow control products for their water distribution system?
I think one of the most important challenges water systems face today is being a very good steward of our financial resources. And one of the ways we can do that is by using products that have been proven and tested in our water system over time. That being said, by using these trusted products, we're also being good stewards of our most precious resource, which is our water.
One important component to every successful water line installation is selecting the correct service brass products. So what are the most important product features when selecting service brass?
Cost, dependability, availability, and continuity of design. We believe that the old adage, you get what you pay for, is surely true when you deal with service brass market. Monroeville Water has been exclusively Mueller since about 1979 or 1980, and we believe that when we put this brass in the ground, there's a high probability that we won't see it again, and it'll outlast us on this job. It's always been readily available to us, and the continuity of design allows for backwards and forwards compatibility.
So why do you prefer to work with Mueller Company and Consolidated Pipe for your service brass needs?
I believe there needs to be a strong relationship between a water utility and their supplier. Whenever you have a question or a problem does arise, you know exactly who to call. Whether it's 10 in the morning or 2 in the morning, you know that you're going to be able to get in touch with your Consolidated rep or your Mueller rep, and they're going to be able to help you. And we've also partnered with these 2 wonderful companies to help us put on our Groundwater Festival, which is held every September, and we teach the 4th graders of the community about preserving our water resources.
Mueller provides municipalities and contractors with one of the broadest product lines of water service connections for distribution mains, service lines, and meters. Handy tools, such as smartphone apps, help make product selection easier. Thousands of flow control products are cataloged to suit the needs of virtually any potable water system, water main, or service line pipe material. Mueller water distribution products are available through authorized Mueller stocking distributors in the United States and around the world through qualified representatives. For more information about Mueller Company, please visit www.muellercompany.com, follow us on Twitter or LinkedIn, or call us at 800-423-1323.